In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Creative Cloud apps on your PC and laptop. By the end, you'll have the Creative Cloud desktop app installed and be ready to manage your Adobe apps with confidence. First, make sure you have the Adobe Creative Cloud installer saved on your computer. It typically downloads as a small setup file. For the smoothest experience, close any unnecessary programs, ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection, and confirm you have permission to install software on this device. It also helps to have a few gigabytes of free space so the installation doesn't stall. Now open the Adobe Creative Cloud installer. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder unless you chose a different location. If the file came compressed, extract it first so you can run the installer properly. Once you've located the installer, you're ready to launch it. Go ahead and double-click the installer to start. On Windows, you may see a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Choose Yes. If nothing happens, try right-clicking the file and selecting Run as Administrator. That often resolves permission issues. Keep your internet connection active through this step. Creative Cloud needs to fetch the latest components during setup. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure until the installation is complete. You'll likely be asked to sign in with your Adobe account. That's normal and required to activate your apps. If you don't see sign in immediately, it will appear once the desktop app launches. Accept the license terms, and if an install location or optional settings are shown, review them and proceed with the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. You'll see a progress bar while files are downloaded and installed. Avoid putting your computer to sleep or shutting it down during this process. If you're prompted to close any running Adobe programs, save your work and allow the installer to continue. When the installation finishes, the Creative Cloud desktop app will open automatically. You can also find it later from your Start menu. Seeing the app launch without error is your confirmation that everything installed correctly. If you encounter issues like the installer freezing, restart your computer and run the installer again, check that you have enough disk space, and temporarily pause any aggressive network filters or VPNs that might block downloads. That's it. You've opened the installer, launched it, and followed the prompts to completion. You're now ready to explore and manage your Adobe apps right from the Creative Cloud desktop.